Fuck the police, coming straight from the underground. Young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown.
Bitch!
Hello. Pussy motherfucker with the bat to the gun.
Hey, Mr. Clark, come here real quick. I want you to try this.
I feel like there's like a teenager in the girls' room. Leave the lights on. No.
Thanks anyway. Thanks anyway. Keep the lights on. Oh, that was a nice. It's perfect.
You can't burp with tea.
I can't. Tea.
I thought you said teeth.
No.
That's an awful movie. No one ever wants tea.
That's a stupid.
I heard about that.
That's not cool. I don't care if it's fake or not. That's not cool.
It's the stupidest thing I've ever said.
I don't have like tea. What's it about?
I heard that. One girl was talking about it. I was like, what?
Oh, that sounds.
Is that really a
No,
movie?
no.
She was biting off the
And one of them,
dick.
is her like stuff or what?
She was biting off the dick.
It's an awful movie. Bad movie.
No, who wants the rest of them?
What was it rated?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Alright, y'all got rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, mine!
Alright, come on, Mason. Rock, paper,
Alright, we go 1, 2, 3, bam. Alright. I win.
Got him!
Yeah, I'm sure.
It's just give me one. I've had enough of it. That shit's ugh.
2 or 3. The blue one tastes like shit.
I want some chicken casserole.
Yo, you know what I want? Yeah,
What?
but no.
What do you want?
fried turkey.
I want to go to bed.
Oh, okay.
I want turducken. Turducken is good. Oh, that shook my hand. It hurt. Turducken is a duck stuffed in a chicken stuffed in a turkey.
Oh, that sounds great.
Oh yeah, I heard about that once.
This stuff is good.
That
does sound
like
good.
a
I'm
lot of
hungry.
cooking.
It is amazing.
That wasn't done yet.
It takes like 5 hours to make.
It's like a better version of haggis, because haggis is just nasty.
I've never heard of that.
What
I
haggis?
have, but I've
Isn't
never
that like some
tried
Scottish
it.
shit or something?
Yeah.
Haggis is sheep intestines stuffed in a sheep's belly.
Yeah, okay, see, I don't want to eat
Boil it
that
up in a soup and you eat it.
That's
Yum,
not
yum,
the
yum. No. It tastes like foot.
How do you know what a foot tastes like?
I'm a bad person.
Is your middle name Grindle?
Oh, God. My middle name. Wait, does anybody here know my middle name?
Nope.
I don't even know your first name.
You said it. It was some girl.
Forrest told me, but I forgot.
Some girl's name.
No, it was some stupid.
What does it start with?
Actually, we have a normal name.
I must have been thinking about something else.
Is it Thomas?
It's Donkey Dick.
You got it.
Really?
John.
It's John?
Yeah.
Hey, cool. Hi. I'm
Hey,
John.
I'm still ahead of you.
Dude, we got like 3 Johns in here then. Little John.
My Polish name's kind of
Regular
funny.
John.
It sounds
Yeah,
adorable.
yeah,
You're
yeah.
regular
What?
John.
Wilhelm Johnston
Sounds weird.
Sounds funny.
I used to watch Cat House when it came on.
Oh my god.
That's a shit right there.
Air Force 8. That's the only thing I ever know about Cat House.
It's gonna be weird on
That's hot
YouTube.
ass clothes, man.
Yeah, they really do have some pretty sexy damn girls.
I'll have to look into that.
I respect my noodle on that shit.
Alright, that was
You're the weird one that just watched it.
If you don't do that, then no problem.
Yeah, but I don't need to know all that.
I'm not queer.
It's just...
You're the one telling us you're gonna fuck your girlfriend so bad she's like sexier than a camel.
Oh, but that's different.
That's an awful thing to say. It's not like, oh, I did this. It's not cool. It's just awful. I would not want to ever. No. I would like to go back for seconds sometime, maybe. I don't have to get like duct tape and tape it up.
It always does. Oh well.
No, dude, that's not
Like 4 girls and shit.
bitch.
Like 4 different ones.
Is it really?
That guy right there.
Ain't that guy, ain't
It is that guy right
Ain't
there.
that guy.
It is him. Harrison is
That's
next
actually
left. He's the next one. That means when it's your turn next day, tomorrow,
and wants to get in a hotel.
And if he doesn't do it,
He
you
ended up
cut
all
it.
Saturday.
Yeah, it's true, because they tried to do some shit to me like that, and Dan had done it, but it was like something, it was like Craig or something.
Remember, I did Muggo twice last year.
That's weird.
Oh, I know, I mean, I think a lot of people did. I think I might have
I got this other
I did it like 8
lives
times.
here in Jamestown.
I did it twice because I kept cheating.
I ended up in my great.
Yeah, but at the same
I was the last
time.
one.
I'm pimping so hard right now.
Yeah.
Ridiculous. It's not. That's what you mean.
Often, pimpins and
Go
pimpins
back to
and
work.
pimpins.